Hey guys, I want to show you how you can change your antifreeze without that you got to flush it. Now, the setup I got going on here, pretty much hot water from the garden hose, and I took off the back hose leading into the radiator, heater core. This car requires special Dextron. By the way, this is an 08 Pontiac Grand Prix. This car requires Dex Cool 50/50. Now the way we do is get your car started. Start your car and watch the antifreeze. Now give me a second. Now, you see it peeling out. I'm not worried about this. This is basically environment friendly, and it's wet. And there we go again. So give me a suck again. All right. You guys may be able to see it. There you go. Wait to let the car run, cycle all the antifreeze out of the block until it turns white. And the reason why I said I'm not worried about it, because I live basically here. It's all going to dilute anyways. So yeah, just run it until it comes clean. And it's almost running clean, so should not take long to flush the block. We want to watch your temp gauge and make sure she don't climb, which she's pretty mellow right now. So I'll get back to you guys then. Alright guys, now I'm flushing the other way, but got a little difficult right now, so you just gotta give me a minute and figure out what the heck's going on. But yeah, I'm back flushing it now. You may see all the old antifreeze coming out. So yeah, we're gonna just let it run for a little bit and see what it does. Hopefully I can get it all worked out. Hoping. So I'll be back in. Alright guys, here's the problem. Got the coolant system flush, and then I started draining it. Oh, got something to tell you guys about Chevy. Well, Chevy don't have no brains. I don't know why I keep on buying a Chevy. Thought I learned the first time. But I don't know how well this camera can pick up. You see the splash guard? That is blocking the bottom of the radiator. That hooks all the way out here to if you ever get to the freaking bottom radiator hose, you take all this plastic off. Why in the heck did Chevy ever do that? I'm a little ticked off. So I did it to that hose. Can't get to the bottom hose, so I did it to the top hose. That's why you see me flushing it with the antifreeze still in it, because I can't get to the bottom hose. There's no way I can get down in there. I tried. There's no way to get to that clamp. Well, and then I got this Chinese, Japanese freaking clamp. Let's see if I can get the camera to get down in there. Got that clamp right there. About as far as I got it. So, I'm going to walk away from this project. And I'm going to finish it tomorrow. Because I've been working on that clamp for a half an hour. Got it off with a fight. Can't get it back on. Coil pack's in the freeway. And even if I take that off, I got the free battery in the way. I got half the radiator in the way. So, I'm just going to walk away. That clamp was easy to take off. So was that top radiator. So that's why I did that, if anybody ever wanted to know. So pretty much, people need to quit before haters start blowing up my thing, says, oh, you're not doing it right, and blah, blah, blah. Well, the reason why I was doing it like that, because I couldn't get to the bottom radiator hose to fully drain the system. But the way I did it was a TP Band-Aid, basically to flush the coolant, all the old crap, all the old Dextron out of the system. In the process of changing the system, now I got water in the system, which I'd got most of it out. To make a long story short, guys, is the only reason why I did that is the easiest way for right now to change the fluid. And when I get the fluid, get the coolant change out and get it run for about, I don't know, a month maybe, I'll drain it again and hopefully I can access the bottom of the radiator hose. So that's why I did it pretty much, because the coolant was completely fried. I mean, Dextron coolant is supposed to have, I don't know if this camera can pick it up, it's supposed to be this color here. It's supposed to be orange. I don't know how well this new camera will pick up the Dextron, but you can see it. It's supposed to be that color there. Let me zoom this in. See if I can get it zoomed inside. It's supposed to be that color. Too far in. It's supposed to be that color. It's like an orange color or something like that. Well, my antifreeze, this is straight up, this is a Shell Zone Dexcool. Pre-diluted 50/50. But this is extended life. I can run this in the car, but I can't at the same time. That stuff I showed you previously is what I want to run. That I wouldn't run. I would run, but I don't want to run. So, that's for a truck that I have that's going through antifreeze. The coolant needs to be flushed. But, anyways, guys, that's pretty much a long story short for why I did that. So if you guys want to hate. So, I did it my way. Hopefully next time when I do the coolant change, when I flush it out, I'll do it correctly by pulling the bottom radiator hose and draining into a pan. So, I'm not worried about it. I live in the woods, so it don't really matter. I mean, yeah, I got animals, but as much water I was running through that floor, that ground, it really don't matter. So, I'll catch you guys later. I'll give you an update when I get the sucker done. If I do it tomorrow, it may just sit. So, see ya.